Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the Esewa app. Open menu, then Settings, then Profile. You need the registered phone active because the system sends OTPs. Keep it nearby. Once done, verify your identity with PIN or fingerprint since Esewa blocks sensitive changes without verification. Make sure you have a working internet connection and the latest app version because older versions may hide account options. Now tap Phone or Contact. You selected Remove. Next, the app sends an OTP to the registered number. Enter it immediately because OTPs time out. Once verified, Esewa will ask why you removed the number. Choose the appropriate option to continue. If your number is tied to bank transfers or KYC, you may need to complete an extra step. Either upload ID or accept a hold period. Make sure to read on-screen prompts carefully because skipping a prompt can pause the removal. You reach the final confirmation. Review details and tap Confirm to complete removal. If you plan to add a replacement number, add it now and verify with OTP. This prevents service interruption. If you leave the account without a phone, understand some features like quick OTPs or recovery may be limited. If the removal fails, try re-verifying your ID, check app permissions, or contact Esewa support chat with transaction ID. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.